Welcome everyone, here is how you set a ringtone in your iPhone. So all you do is you open up the settings app. From here you want to find sounds and haptics. Now if you have an older iPhone, if I just show you here, the setting is sounds, okay, so it will depend on the operating system. But when you go into this menu, everything is the same. So you'll see a ringtone, and if you tap into this one, you'll be able to change your ringtone right here. You can also go to the tone store to get custom ringtones, okay? So bring to the iTunes, and you can just tap on tones and select the one you would like here. And you can also download all purchased tones which you got in the past. Just tap on the option to change. It will give you a preview of what you're looking at, and then you're good to go. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.